Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a little bit of all-in-one video. The first thing that I'm going to do is announcing the winners from my last Tag Me. This started in August of 2025 and I believe I took it till maybe the end of November. Here you can see we had many entries. This time, because I had so many entries and I was so far behind, I decided to draw two winners. For the sake of saving time with editing, I went ahead and drew the winners, and I will insert photos here of the numbers that were picked. Number 31 was picked, and that's Erin over at Coop's Place. Her channel will be listed down below. And then number 61 was picked, and that was Pebbles over at Colita's Creations. Congratulations to both of you, and thank you so much for everyone that has been entering my Tag Me challenge. This is still going on, and somewhere in my craft room, I do have a list of all of the new tags that people have tagged me in for my next drawing. Let me real quick show you what I am sending to Erin. This is the prize that she won for the Tag Me challenge. It is a set of dewdrops, and this may have been from an old release. I can't remember which one, but it's all pastel. And Erin also entered into my die cut challenge, so I decided to make her one big envelope. For that, I sent her a sample of dewdrops as well as some die cuts that I am sharing with her, and I will be showing what she sent me in a different video. Congratulations to Erin. This is going off into the mail. And for Pebbles, let me find her entry. Pebbles is also winning a set of my dewdrops from the Tag Me challenge. Pebbles is also hosting a challenge herself. She is over at Colita's Creations. Her channel will be listed down below. She's hosting a challenge giveaway, and she is requesting an ATC coin, which is a 2.5-inch circle coin, which is due January 30th. You can check out her channel for all the details. In addition to sending her prize, I've also created for her the 2.5-inch ATC coin that she requested. I had this super cute little Gingy in my stash. I super layered this to make it nice and thick. I did include some information on the back. This is for Pebbles' entry. In addition to that, I decided to make a couple of other little Gingies from the die cuts that I had in my stash. So we have this little guy, and then we have this one. And that is going to be my entry for Pebbles. This will be going out to Pebbles. Pebbles, thank you so much for entering into my Tag Me challenges, and thank you for having such a fun challenge giveaway. The next one is a challenge hosted by Mary Ellen, and her channel will also be linked down below. She is hosting a birthday challenge. She is requesting a flat ornament. These are the ornaments that I made for her. This is from a Tim Holtz die set that I have. These are so stinking cute. I love how they turned out. Mary Ellen has also entered into my die cut swap, and so I'll be sending Mary Ellen's entry along with some die cuts that I'll be sending her way, which I have not packaged up appropriately. I will also be sharing what Mary Ellen sent me for die cuts. Thank you, Mary Ellen, for hosting such a fun challenge. I will have this out to the mail to you shortly. And my next challenge entry is from Lori over at Pie Designs. She is hosting her annual hashtag PPDB 25, and she's requesting embellishments. I decided to make her a bunch of different kinds of embellishments. Here we have a bag topper. This was some ribbon that I decided to cut out and layer it up. I think it came out so cute. I really struggle sometimes with the ribbons that have these large images. I think this is like using fabric, and I think it came out so fun. This is like a little place card that she could tuck in one of her journals. I'm sending her some of my gingerbread dewdrops to match the embellishments that I'm sending her. This is a pocket, but I made it upside down by accident. Here's a little flag. We have a tag. And then we have this cute folder. And that is my entry for Lori over at Petey Pie Designs. Thank you, Lori, for hosting another fun challenge. I hope you like my entry. And before I go, this is the last set of holiday dewdrops that I have available. We have the gold and silver set. These are $5 if you're interested. This is the last one of these available. Then I have a set of 4 of the gingerbread. So we have 4 of those. And the last set that I have available is we have a snowball, a gingerbread, a silver, and a red. And that is the last of those. If you are interested in any of these sets, just send me a direct message. We have the gold and silver. We have 4 of the gingerbread. And then we have the 4 mixed with the red, the gingerbread, the snowball, and the silver. And that is all that I have left from my holiday collection. Thank you guys so much for supporting my small business. The Christmas 2025 was almost an immediate sellout. And I thank you guys so much for that. And before I go, I just would like to remind everyone that I am currently hosting a Christmas die cut swap. I did get this idea from Mystical Misty. Her channel will also be listed down below. All you have to do is send in an envelope with die cuts, Christmas related, and in return, I will send you an envelope with a sample of my dewdrops as well as Christmas die cuts. This is for US only. My address is on my About Me page, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram. Please share this video and tag me if you post your incoming and outgoing swaps. And I'm running this through December 31st. I have received several entries so far. I will be working on filming these next. Here is some of the die cuts that I will be sending out. We have the Let It Snow, some Christmas trees, some Memdex cards, some embellishments, some tags, and some little to and froms. I hope you guys will consider entering my die cut swap. I look forward to seeing what everyone creates. I decided to go and add into this video my incoming Christmas die cut swap. The first one is Erin over at Coop's Place. Let's take a look at what she sent my way. We have this really sweet Christmas card. Here is her YouTube channel. Inside, she shared these really cute Gingy stickers, and she made this embellishment with a playing card. It's a cute Santa playing card with a little pocket. So fun. And she shared this cool peppermint sleeve. This is really fun. This will go really nice in a Christmas junk journal. Inside that sleeve, she shared some Christmas trees, a couple of snowflakes, some tags, and this really fun peppermint Memdex card. Thank you so much, Erin, for sending me these super fun Christmas die cuts. I appreciate it so very much. The next entry we have is from Mary Ellen. She has this super cute sticker on there. Let's see what she sent my way. She made this really nice season's greeting card. I know she does all this on her Cricut. Thank you so much, Mary Ellen. Let's see what's in here. She made these cute envelopes. In her first envelope, she has Santa's Helper, Yuletide, and mistletoe. I don't believe I have these words in my collection. Thank you so much. We have some pretty poinsettias, these really nice tags. Thank you so much for those, Mary Ellen. And in her other envelope, she shared a selection of snowflakes. Very nice. Thank you so much, Mary Ellen, for sending all of those amazing Christmas die cuts. And the next one is Tony over at Tony's Arts and Crafts. I'll have all of these ladies' channels linked down below. Look at this beautiful Christmas card she sent my way. She sent me money for the Christmas dewdrops that she ordered. Thank you so much, Tony. And let's see, she has it set up so nicely. In her first envelope, we have the Christmas cookies. I love how she did those in brown. We have some spoons, a couple of Merry Christmas. We have some cocoa cups, some mistletoe. So cute. Love this collection. And in these little pouches, which I don't want to take out because I love how organized this is, she shared these super fun Christmas trees. We have these die cuts. It looks like a snowflake and some ornaments in there. These beautiful flowers. I love them so much. Then these poinsettias. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Erin, Mary Ellen, and Tony. I thank you guys so much for swapping with me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.